So what do you think the number one thing that stops career moms from starting their own digital online business? It's not the money and it's not the fear. It's being able to see how they can actually make it work throughout their already busy day. So that's what I want to talk to you about today and show you how you can make it work with this particular model. What has to happen and how much time it actually takes. In the first video of my series, I spoke about why most busy career moms feel stuck in their current situation and what the solution is with this business. And you can access that up here at the top. People assume that building a business requires having to have large dedicated time throughout your day, but this model doesn't work that way. The automation handles the delivery, the follow-up, and the customer experience. What you provide is being a consistent presence, providing content that speaks to the right people, and then responding and guiding the curious person toward the right decision. And that doesn't mean that you have to be online all day. It means working on your business in pockets of your day when you're free. That could be during your lunch break. It could be 30 minutes in the morning before everybody in the family gets up. Those quiet, alone times that you have even in your car. Some of the most successful people in our business will record a short or even a long video in their cars. Those pockets of time are enough. So here's what's already built in this business before you even start. You have the digital products, the website. We provide you with a funnel that actually takes somebody from being curious to informed to ready to buy without you being on a sales call or sending a single message. We provide you the email sequence, the delivery. It all runs automatically. In video 2, I discussed the difference in our model in comparison to some of the other choices out there. And that helps you understand why this business model works better than the average. You can access it here. What your job is to bring the right people to the door, or in other words, to your website, which we provide. And we'll show you how to do that. The system handles everything else after that. So what does that actually look like? Your work in this business comes down to two things: the content and the connection. Content means showing up with something valuable for your client. A short video, a post, a story, something that speaks directly to somebody who needs what you have. Somebody who's dealing with the same problems that you're dealing with or have dealt with in your past, and that you found the solution for and that you want to share with them. Connection means responding when people are curious and pointing them in the right direction towards your link, your website. There's definitely a learning curve, and that's okay. We were all there. That's how we grow, is by challenging ourselves. The difference between this model and starting from scratch is that you're never alone. We have weekly tech support that walks you through every step of the setup of your business. We have a community of now over 60,000 members you can access every day. And if tech is a real challenge, these weekly Zooms, you can ask your questions and you can even share your screen to show where the problem is. And no, I didn't know how to share my screen either when I started, but I do now. And there's even the option of having your business completely set up for you at an additional fee. So that means that hurdle doesn't stop you from getting going. I did set mine up myself within 2 days. You'll be surprised at what you can accomplish. They walk you through this setup step by step. We're all pre-recorded so you can take your time. This is not a get-rich-quick model. People have made success fairly fast though, but consistency builds over time and provides you with the option to have a choice in life on how you want to live it. You'll earn your commissions from your sales that happen while you're at work or on vacation with your family. Income that doesn't stop when you do, because it's working for you 24/7 in the background. The ability over time to step back from your job on your terms, either a little or a lot, or entirely eventually. It's all about having that choice to decide for yourself. That's what's possible when you're building a system that generates income independently of your hours at work. And it's exactly what's already happening for thousands of people inside our community. Victoria is a mom of 3 and paid off her debt, built her dream home, and recently purchased the car that she always wanted. And Darryl went from living in a homeless shelter for a while to a 6-figure income in just over a year. So just to recap, this business can fit into the real pockets of your day because the system handles the rest. They even offer an onboarding Zoom once a week for anybody new starting in the business, in addition to daily mentoring. So your job is to show up consistently and to stay connected to the community so that you don't start to doubt yourself. Because you will. We all have done that. Members will encourage you and keep you motivated and remind you of your why. which is the reason that you wanted to start this business in the first place, to change your situation and your circumstances. In video 4, if it's up here yet, I want to show you more about the community of over 60,000 people that we have. We have thousands of pages of actual wins that you can view and see the proof for yourself. So if you've been wondering whether this actually works, that video will answer many of your questions. Subscribe and hit the notification button for any new videos. Keep learning. In the description below is a free guide and the Freedom Formula Blueprint. If any of the terms that we've covered today are still new to you, like funnels, automation, emails, websites, the guide is a great way to start. It's only 10 minutes. There's a video at the top of the guide while I walk you through it. And if you're ready to look at the business model itself, the Freedom Formula Blueprint is in the description. It walks you through the entire business, all the details of all the programs, and how the commissions work. Thanks so much for listening. Let this be the change that you're looking for in your life.